We use does with subjects he, she, it, and singular subjects. Examples. Does he enjoy action movies? Does he speak a foreign language? Does he get off work at 6 o'clock? Does she go to an all-girls high school? Does she work for a clothing company? Does she teach philosophy at the university? Does it snow in your country? Does it cost a lot to have a vacation in the Maldives? Does its fur feel soft? Does the Philippines have more than 7,000 islands? Does he go to the gym every other day? Does he attend church on Sundays? Does he send you an email regularly? Does she have her hair cut twice a year? Does she do the shopping every Wednesday? Does she eat out with her friends on Friday night? Does it rain in your country in the summer season? Does it feel chilly here in the early mornings? Does Carrie watch her favorite TV series every night? Does Jason sometimes borrow money from you?